welcome back. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I create a thumbnail for my videos. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to Google and you're gonna type in Pixlr. I use Pixlr because it's free. So you're gonna go to pixlr.com and it's gonna take you to this site here. And what you're going to do, this is new, so if you want to do like Pixel Pro, you can start for free, but we're not going to click that. We're going to click Launch Web App, Pixel Editor. And it's going to take you here. So from here, what I like to do is I like to create a new image. And we're going to do 1280 by 720. And click transparent. You can name it, but we're not gonna name it today, and click OK. And ignore this part, this is just ads, there's nothing I can do. So what I like to do here is I like to click to the gradient tool. I like to click up here, and this already has a colorful background for you. So I'm gonna do this, pink one. So we're just gonna drag, because that's what I like to do. You can drag it however you want to drag it. If you want it like that, I want it like that. Okay, so we're gonna drag that. Now I like to go to File and Open Image, and I get my images at google.com. I do have pictures, so I'm gonna do this picture. That's a picture of me. So what I like to do here is I'm gonna cut it. So what you want to do is go to this lasso tool and click this polygonal lasso tool, and we're going to cut very carefully. It takes time to do this. When I first did this, I was like having a hard time cutting through it because it looks so weird. But it's not going to be perfect because I'm showing you guys. So now if you messed up, you can't go back. You have to like start over back again. So now we're going to connect the dots and we're going to double click. We're going to double click. So that's what it's going to do here. We're going to double click now. We're going to change back to Move Tool. And we're going to go to Edit. And we're going to Cut. And then we're going to go back here in Title. And we're going to go to Edit. And we're going to do Paste. Now, I know that this is bigger and stuff. We're going to make it smaller. So you're going to go back to Edit. And you're going to do a Free Transform. And from here, we're going to shrink it. Like however you want to shrink it. Like if you want it like that, you can do that. So I'm going to do mine like down here. And I'm going to click the outside to save it. You're going to click yes. Let's do the layer one. Do not do the layer 0. Okay, so we're going to, you see that? This is the outer glow here. So I'm going to do my purple, because that's my favorite color, purple. We're just gonna do probably that color, and then you're gonna click OK. And here you can harden this, and this we can say you can make it big or you can make it small. So we're just gonna do it like that. And then we're gonna click the inner glow, and I'm gonna do that one. Let me do that one white. So we'll do that white like that. We're going to do all the way. And here you can enlarge it or not. We're just going to do that one like that. And we're going to click OK. Here we can take that off because we don't need it. So there we go. So this is what it looks like here. Now you click down here at the Type tool. And you click here. We're going to move this so you guys can see. And you're gonna start like typing welcome to my channel. And here what you're gonna do is you can click the font. I'm gonna click that one, and we're going, why is this so? And then you can size it like that, and we're gonna do that, or actually let's just do bold, and we're going to move it up here like that, and we're gonna press okay. Now we're gonna open image. I mean, I got the pictures, I got it from Google, but you can get it whatever you want to. So I'm just gonna put like subscribe, and what you here is what you're gonna do is Control A, Control C, and Control V. So you have this little subscribe. We're gonna go click edit, free transform, and from here we're gonna move it wherever. I think I'm gonna move it here, and you can size it or make it smaller, however. And then I'm just gonna move it like that, and click the outside and click yes. And then we're gonna go again to open image, and we're gonna do like probably a picture. And again, Control A, Control C, and Control B. So here we're going to free transform, and we're going to make it smaller like that. And you can just click that, put it however you want to put it, and then you can just twist it to just move it to the side. I like it like that. Click the outside and click yes. So after I'm finished, I like it like that, what you're going to do is go to File, Save, and you're going to name it, and you're going to save it as a PNG, and you're going to click OK. And we're just going to do welcome, and you're going to click Save, and it's saved. And then you're going to go to your YouTube channel, and you're going to click the custom thumbnail, and from there it's going to take you to the images, and you're going to click the thumbnail that you made and put it as a thumbnail. And that's how I create my thumbnails for my videos. So hope you guys liked this video. It was super easy, super fun, and yeah, that's how I do my thumbnails. So go ahead and put a big thumbs up in this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.